Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel where we glow smarter, not harder. If you've ever followed a beauty tip and thought, why do I look more tired or older? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into 5 beauty habits that secretly age you. And most importantly, how to fix them with smart, easy upgrades. These aren't just your average drink water tips. We're going deep into things like micro habits, facial mapping, hair psychology, and even how your lighting is working against your glow up. So grab your matcha, cozy up, and let's uncover what's really going on behind the mirror. And hey, if you love Cherryblossam's aesthetics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let's glow. Tip number 1, over-exfoliating, why scrubbing might be aging you. You want baby soft skin, so you exfoliate, then exfoliate again, and again. But here's the plot twist. Over-exfoliating can actually thin your skin barrier, making you more vulnerable to fine lines, sagging, and redness. Think of your skin barrier as your glow's bodyguard. Without it, all the retinols and serums in the world won't help. What's happening underneath? Loss of ceramides and essential lipids, increased sensitivity and inflammation, micro tears from harsh scrubs. The fix: stick to chemical exfoliants, like lactic acid or mandelic acid, 2 times a week maximum. Use barrier-repairing serums with niacinamide and peptides. Layer a ceramide-rich moisturizer right after. Add an overnight hydrating mask once a week. Think of it as therapy for your skin barrier. Tip number 2, wrong hair. Placement: your ponytail is pulling you down. Did you know your hair part and ponytail placement can age your entire face? Sounds dramatic, but here's the psychology. A center part can create harsh symmetry, drawing attention to facial asymmetries or drooping. A low ponytail or slick bun can pull your features down visually. The fix: try a soft diagonal side part to add lift and dimension. Opt for mid-height ponytails or messy updos that mimic a facelift effect. Play with face framing layers or curtain bangs. They soften your features and add youthfulness. Use a shine serum on the ends, not near the roots. Too much slickness near the scalp can make your style look dated. Film yourself from different angles and test your hairstyle's lift effect. The camera doesn't lie. Tip number 3, poor hydration, but not just water. You drink water and still feel dry. That's because hydration is internal and external, and the way you layer products matters just as much as your water bottle habits. Here's the science. Skin needs both humectants, to draw in moisture, and occlusives, to seal it. Without both, you're just letting hydration evaporate off your face. The fix: start with a hydrating essence or mist, glycerin or hyaluronic acid. Apply your serum immediately after, then seal with moisturizer. Finish with a light occlusive layer, even a few drops of squalane or marula oil. Add electrolytes to your water, and eat water-rich foods like cucumber, berries, and chia seeds. Hydrate before your skincare. Plump skin starts with blood flow and water intake before that serum even hits your face. Tip number 4, too much matte. Flat makeup ages fast. Matte makeup can make you look polished, but it can also make you look 10 years older if overdone. Flat, powder-heavy looks often emphasize texture, fine lines, hollowed areas of the face. The fix: balance matte with strategic glow. Use creamy blushes, liquid highlighters, and dewy setting sprays. Focus glow on the high points. Cheekbones, nose bridge, and temples, not all over. Switch to hydrating foundations or tinted moisturizers. Add dimension by using cream bronzer under your cheekbones, and never skip blush. A youthful flush does wonders. Tip number 5, neglecting your neck, hands, and eyes. Your face might be glowing, but your neck, hands, or eyes might be telling a different story. These areas are the first to show aging because the skin is thinner and usually unprotected. The fix: extend your skincare past your jawline. Apply serums and sunscreen to your neck and chest. Use retinol eye creams and hand creams with SPF. Try lymphatic drainage massage on the neck to reduce puffiness and tighten skin. Keep an extra tube of SPF in your bag just for hands, one of the most sun-exposed parts of your body. Beauty should never feel like a race against time. It's not about looking younger. It's about looking radiant, vital, and most of all, authentic to you. So next time you exfoliate or tie your hair or skip your neck, remember these fixes. They're little things, but they add up to big confidence. Which tip surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your glow-up wins and lessons. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell for more beauty science, mindset glow-ups, and self-care wisdom. Until next time, stay glowing, stay soft, stay powerful, love.